Sow Grow Dough model.
Money, mindset.
Sow Grow Dough model. So this is a rule of thumb that I often use with clients, and it just makes it very, very simple. So let's go through it. Essentially what I'm using is the Pareto principle, the 80-20 principle we talked about in other videos, how you can use that for your own investing. So very simply, like a seed, you want to sow, like a plant or a tree you want to grow, and then lastly dough, this is what you spend. So people ask me, how much should I be investing? So the great thing now, in the UK you have the auto enrolment. So if your employer automatically has to take money from your wage packet and put it into a pension. So it almost is 10%. It's about 8% at the moment. So then it's still not going to get you enough to live on for the rest of your life. So then you have a grow, so that's how much you put into an ISA, and then you have dough. So at the end, you have 80% left to spend on whatever you want. So life is for living, and it's not necessarily for saving and not actually doing anything with your life. I'm all for going out and spending on doing meaningful things. But this is a real simple model to say 10% sow into a pension, 10% grow into an ISA or a tax efficient vehicle, and then 80% of it you can spend on whatever you want. And this is using the Pareto 80-20 principle. So the two 10s make 20 and then the 80. So sow, grow, dough.
Money, mindset.